Hey there, this is Keith Mills with On Time Construction Consulting. We're here at our new College Park project. So we're going to be doing multiple things, a lot of stuff on the inside, including repiping and rewiring the house because it is an older house. It was built in the, I want to say 60s, but don't quote me on that one at this point. Older for us in Orlando, so I know a lot of you go 60s, that's nothing. This door here, this is in storage right now, so that door is going to come out and we're going to reblock it back in. So these are the smaller height block that were used back at that time. So that door is going to go away, and the door on that side is also going to go away. So you see we've already got some supplies here. So then this area over here, this hot water tank gets relocated, and we're actually cutting a door in that space that's going to go over to the existing laundry room. So we'll also end up relocating that electrical panel, so I'm upgrading that piece. So that's what's out here. Oh, and then as we come on to the inside, this is the existing laundry room. So this cabinet, this built-in cabinet piece is going to be getting deleted. The indoor-outdoor carpet that's here is getting deleted. So this area right here where the current connections are for the washer dryer, so that's where that hole is going to be cut. That washer dryer goes over to the wall where we had all the plywood leaned up against the wall. That's where that's going to go. The laundry tub comes out of here, so the shelving there comes out. So as we come into the house, we're going to remove this door here. So because originally this was all carport out here, and the area wasn't air conditioned. So what we did is we're going to take this door out since it's an exterior door, and we will replace it with an interior door in here. So in the future, they're going to be redoing the whole kitchen. That was what they're going to be doing. So there goes Paige trying to get away. So as she always does, in here, we're going to take out this little wall right here, this little wing wall. So, and as we walk into what is a dining area, so this space here we want to go ahead and open up. So essentially what we're going to do, is we're going to go ahead and cut a bigger opening in here because this is a non-load bearing wall, means it holds no downforced weight, so there's no weight sitting on it. So we're going to open it up over to where the stairs are over there, and then the same piece over here. Now we're going to open it up the same thing, so we'll still have the same kind of return whenever we're looking in the living room. And that's the important part is, balance is always a good thing. We always talk about that. So it'll be 3 foot 6 inches approximately from that corner over to here is where the wall will end. And we'll do the same thing on this side over here. This opening that's here, we're going to take out the trim. We're going to go ahead and infill that opening is what we're going to go ahead and do. So, and then as you go into here, this is going to turn into an office, but it's going to have a closet. So technically it's a bedroom is what it's called. And we'll put a closet over here, which is where they want that. Since it's going to be technically classified a bedroom, we have to go ahead and put a bigger window in. So it's actually not even necessarily the size wise of it, it's actually the height wise in this case. We have to put an egress window in, which means we've got to go ahead and cut down the block, so, and the brick that are out in front, so, and drop that sill height lower so you're able to get in and out. So the other things we're going to be doing, there's a couple things in the bedroom that's just basically removing tack strip and everything. So, and we've got an upstairs area that we're going to be redoing the master bath. So as you can see, the team has gone ahead, so both Paige and Lance. So did some covering. These are wood floors underneath it here. And we want to make sure that they stay protected. So wood stairs and wood floors up here. That's why all the ram board's down. So and everything's taped down as you can see. It's always important to protect the items that you are keeping. This space here, this is the existing upstairs bathroom. So what that's going to do is we're actually going to infill this opening right here because we're going to make the whole area that runs from down here all the way over to here. So one big master bathroom. This is now going to be the entrance into the bathroom. There's going to be a pocket door, so that goes into this wall right here for closing the bathroom off. This wall on this side over here in this closet, this wall goes away, so the shelving is going to go away. We'll put new shelving in there. This side on the other closet over here, so which is what you see there with the bifold doors. So this wall here is also going to go away, along with that door. And then in here, this wall totally disappears. We take that out, that becomes our connection into the existing bathroom is what it is. The wood flooring in here is actually going to come out because I'm never a big fan of putting wood flooring in a wet area. The bathroom is definitely a wet area. So in this space in here right now, so this is the existing upstairs bathroom, all the floor tile comes out, toilet comes out, all the tile, the wainscoting tile all the way around. So it comes out, we're actually going to cover this window over. Very rarely do I like taking light out of a space. Yet it's going to make sense for both the vanity that we're looking to put in, which goes about here is where it starts. So, and then this shower is going to get a little bit bigger too. And that's the big thing. We're going to take out the tub that's in here in the shower enclosure and turn this into an oversized shower up here to really make it a master suite is what we're going to do. Again, wall tile comes off. So this door gets closed in. So that's right here, and then a little bit tiny in here. So I apologize for getting so close, but you only have so much space. Now in here, this closet is gonna come out of here also, and then this wall goes away along with the vanity that's on this side. It's gonna be a fun project. So like I said, we're rewiring and repiping the whole place just because it's an older house, and if we're gonna do it, this is the time to do it before they really move in. That's gonna get us up and running. So stay tuned. So this is one of our College Park houses for one of the College Park projects we've got going on.